Hello from the Bargain Bounty Huntress. I'm here with this monkey because I'm going to unbox and review the Door Monkey. So let's get to it. Hello, it's the Bargain Bounty Huntress, and I'm very excited to open my Amazon order. This is the Door Monkey Door Lock and Pinch Guard. I happened to find this item because I was searching for a solution. I have a door that's at the top of the stairs, and it's not one that I can keep open, which the Door Monkey is made to keep the door open a little bit, but I did realize that this is perfect for another problem in my house. In the baby's room, this door behind me is a closet. When this house was built, I don't think that they really realized what they had for plans in the house. So the air, the AC, and the heat all come out of a vent that's in that closet. So I've been trying to figure out how to keep the door slightly open. I don't really want the baby playing in there. So what I've been doing, you can see there's like a pinch guard on there right now. So I was thinking eventually what I might try to do is get one of those slide locks and use it in conjunction with the pinch guard so that it could like not move in either direction too far. But this was actually the perfect solution for that because it does that exact same thing. So I'm very excited to try it out. So I'm going to unbox it, unbag it. There we go. Oh. Okay. So inside, this is what it is. It's an interesting little mechanism that this pinches on the door, and then this part hooks on to the molding inside in the door frame so that it allows it to be open but not open too much. So I'm very excited to try it. This time of year we've got the AC running, so it'll be nice. It's very easy to open. I don't think there's any kind of, yes, okay, good. This was able to open it. So some of the features with this too that I liked was, it said you don't need any tools for it. I saw another option that was like an interesting latch system, but you needed to be able to use sticky adhesives on your door frame, or I saw some people were using it on their walls, and then I saw a bunch of review pictures and there were some where there was actually parts of their wall missing. So I didn't want that to happen. What I'm going to do is try this out, and I'll end up flipping my camera around so that you can see me trying it out. Let's get to it. Okay. So here's the Door Monkey. I'm going to take this monkey off and try this. So I'm pinching. That's pretty good. It also advertises that you can obviously move it as high or as low as you want. It's easy. So there is like a nice little rubber stopper right here, so it should just catch right on the molding right there. Let's see how it works. And that should be able to be open enough to allow for some airflow, because like I said, the vent is actually on the floor in this closet, so I always have to keep it a little bit open if I'm running the heat or if I'm running the air. So this is a nice solution. I think it might be good for a little while. We'll see. It scares me just a little bit. We'll see how it holds up with the baby actually trying to pull on it. It's not super thick. I'm a little worried that with enough pressure it might just come apart, but we'll see. I'll let time test it, I'll let the baby test it. But for now, it does exactly what I need it to do. So we'll see.